Good morning. The Philippine pop scene is thriving, and today we celebrate a group that has taken it by storm. This awardee has captivated audiences with their catchy music, dynamic performances, and undeniable talent. Their songs resonate with fans of all ages, and their music videos are known for their impressive visuals and captivating storylines. Beyond their musical prowess, they actively use their platform to promote social awareness and inspire young fans. The Golden Laurel for Best P-Pop Group goes to SB19.
Congratulations once again to SB19.